Costs that you need to keep in mind when organizing team building. Costs: transportation, accommodation, meals. This is the biggest expense. Depending on the size and form of organizing, you should survey the venue in advance to ensure suitability and avoid incurring unnecessary costs. This cost depends on the business's requirements regarding the type of game and level of difficulty. Including MC, operations staff, game operations staff, ensuring professional and experienced staff. You need to pay attention to the backdrop, stage podium, sound and lighting system, ensuring good sound and lighting quality to create a vibrant atmosphere for the program. Includes filming and taking photos to capture memorable moments in the show. Images and videos can be used to make media publications for businesses. In addition, some other costs may arise, such as gift costs, document printing costs. To save costs, businesses should choose professional and reputable event organization companies. With over 16 years in the field of event organization, Hoabinh Events is confident in bringing customers professional, impressive, and cost-effective team-building programs. Please contact Hoabinh Events immediately for free consultation and great experiences.